Today we are discussing the scenario-based interview questions for network administrator engineers. These are scenario-based complex interview questions. You can download the complete list of scenario-based questions from the link provided in the description. Now moving towards the scenario based on the topic BGP routing. Our scenario is: your organization is connected to multiple Internet Service Providers (ISPs) for redundancy and load balancing. You need to configure Border Gateway Protocol (BGP) to ensure efficient routing between your network and the ISPs. Additionally, implement route filtering and path control to optimize traffic flow. Being a CCNA network administrator, what will be your solution? Our first solution is establish BGP peering. Establish BGP peering sessions with each ISP. Configure the neighbor relationship using the neighbor (IP) command. Ensure that the BGP routers can reach each other by verifying reachability through basic connectivity checks. Our second solution is configure BGP as numbers. Assign autonomous systems AS numbers for your organization and each ISP. Configure your routers with the correct AS numbers. Use the router BGP your underscore AS underscore number command to enter BGP configuration mode. Third solution: advertise network prefixes. Advertise your organization's network prefixes to the ISPs. Use the network underscore address command in BGP configuration mode. Verify the prefixes are being advertised correctly by checking the BGP routing table. Our fourth solution is implement route filtering. Implement route filtering to control which routes are accepted and advertised. Use access lists to define filtering criteria. Apply the filters using the filter list command in BGP configuration mode. Our fifth solution is configure BGP path attributes. Adjust BGP path attributes to influence route selection. For example, use the weight attribute to prefer one ISP over another. Fine-tune attributes like local preference and AS path prepending for traffic engineering. Sixth solution: monitor BGP peering status. Regularly monitor the BGP peering status with each ISP. Use commands like show IP BGP summary to view the status of BGP neighbors. Set up SNMP-based monitor to receive alerts for BGP state changes. Seventh solution: implement BGP route reflectors optional. If the network is large, consider implementing BGP route reflectors to reduce the number of required BGP peerings. Configure routers as route reflectors and clients using the neighbor reflectors underscore IP route reflector client command. Option solution number 8. Configure BGP Configurations optional. Alternatively, use BGP configurations for scalability. Divide the BGP AS into smaller sub-ASs. Implement configurations using the BGP configuration identifier and BGP configuration pairs commands. Our ninth solution is implement BGP authentication. Enhance security by implementing BGP authentication between your routers and the ISPs. Use the never IP password within bracket password command. Ensure that the password is securely configured and shared with the ISPs. And our last and 10th solution is documentation and backup. Document the BGP configuration, including peering details, filters, and path attributes. Regularly backup BGP configurations and keep a record of changes made for future reference. This scenario involves configuration BGP for a multi-homed network with multiple ISPs, requiring attention to route advertisement, filtering, and path control for efficient and reliable internet connectivity. If you are preparing for any CCNA based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description. Also, you can download the complete list of scenario based questions from the link provided in the description. For more videos, stay tuned with us.